everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can choose a picture from your photo album for the card back on Solitaire. So let's get started. First of all, open the Solitaire app on your device. Now select menu and then tap on themes. Now select the photo album icon just beside the card back. Now choose a picture of your choice from your gallery. Select the picture and that's it. This is how you can keep the card back picture from your photo album of your phone on Solitaire. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.